Hello trumpets, this is the solo Cavatina. We're going to be working through it here at about 60 beats per minute. So if you've not worked on it yet, take a bit of time to make sure you know what the fingers, what the notes, what the fingers are, maybe some of the rhythms, they're a little basic. But if you're still having trouble with some of the fingers, it's kind of clunky to play along with the video here, so take some time to do that. If you're ready, here we are. We're going to take this in short chunks. This first one is measure 5 through 13, 60 beats a minute. So if you're ready, get your trumpet up. Here's the tempo. Are you all set? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now, if you need to go back and just work on this little section, hit the rewind and just work on this little section. Let's do the next one. This is measures 13 through 21. Watch out. Measure 17, 18, 19. It goes G, F sharp, second finger, F natural, first finger, down to E, 1 and 2. Here we go. Measure 13. If you can get the slurs and measure 14 to 16, that'd be awesome too. Here we go. If you're ready, here's measure 13. Trumpet up. 1 and 2 and ready and that'll be a good one to practice in little chunks. Take 1, 2, or 3 measures. Go real slow, make sure your fingers are going in the right way. Okay, this section, measure 21 through 28, still has that F sharp, so be careful of measure 23, 25, 27. It goes D, E, F sharp second valve, G, all right? A little bit of dynamics in there. Measure 25, 27, or it gets louder. That would be good too. Here we go. Measure 21, here's your tempo. 21 and 2 and ready and that's a good one to review, again, in short chunks. This is the measure 29 through 38 section. We're going to go right through that rest. The rest, 2 counts per measure, so we'll count through it together. Here we go. Measure 29 starts loud, and it gets soft. All right, here's 29. 1 and 2 and 29. One, two, two. The next section is going to be a little bit longer. We're going to start at measure 41 and go all the way through 54. So we have a little tie over the bar at measure 42. Take a look at measure 42. We go 1, 2, F sharp, F, E, and then we have some eighth note runs. So you might want to work a couple measures, especially like measure 45. Make sure your fingers are going up, kind of like that. So make sure that's working, and if you're ready to go, we can take it right at measure 41. Here it goes. Ready? 41. 1 and 2 and 41. There we go. All right, and the last section here, the very last line, measure 57, is just like measure 5. All right, so we'll play through it as such. Here we go. Ready? Measure 57 and 2. 57, 2, and ready, and... And that's the end. My next video I'm going to run, I'll do the whole thing at that same tempo. So once you have a pretty good handle of it, you can play through the entire thing, and that'll start working on endurance as we go.